Welcome everyone, welcome to today's video. It's Bree here with Let's Talk Tech. This channel is all about equipping educators with the tools, tips, and tricks to create engaging and interactive online learning environments. Today's video is going to be about how to foster active learning in the online learning environment. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Barnwell and Eisen, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, they explain active learning as instructional activities that include information and ideas, experience, and reflective dialogue. They explain a holistic view of learning that includes information, ideas, reflective dialogue, and experience. So today's video will talk about 3 ways that you can foster active learning in your online learning environment. The first way that you can foster active learning in your online learning environment is by encounter new. So encountering new ideas that you can think about those ideas and apply in practice at some later point. So a great example of this would be to assign students a reading or something to go over in advance before class, and then you discuss it maybe the first 5 minutes of class or maybe the middle of class, however you would like to do it. But it's something that should be done at the beginning to kind of foster that learning right at the start of the course. The second way you can foster active learning in an online learning environment is to engage with information. So this is something that you can do like for small group projects or group discussions. You can assign a topic or something that they've already went over in the course or module and have the students discuss on it and share their ideas or how they feel about it or come to conclusions. Whatever question you ask pertaining to that, that will be a way to have them engage with information that they are already in knowledge of. The third way that we can foster active learning in the online learning environment is by reflection. I do talk about reflection in a couple of my videos. I think reflective learning is definitely something that is needed, not necessarily just for the learner, but for us as educators as well. But a way that you can do reflective learning is maybe spend the last 5 minutes of class. You can have them write a writing assignment reflecting on maybe what they learned from the day or from today's discussion, or what were their takeaways from what you went over. And this is a way that they can kind of self-reflect or self-evaluate if they are learning the concepts correctly, and then you can tell as well if they are learning those concepts correctly and maybe where you need to restructure your teaching style or the way that you structure your instructional activities. If your course is strictly online, you can have your learners write a reflection assignment at the end of each module, kind of doing the same thing. And I think it would serve a great purpose as well and let you know for your next semester what you might need to restructure, as whether the learners are grasping the content and actually learning the objectives of what the module is supposed to be about. That is today's video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this channel is all about equipping educators and teachers with the tools, tips, and tricks to create engaging and active online learning environments. If this is something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We'll drop videos each week on such topics. And as always, be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.